Oh, okay, come on. There we go. Oh my goodness, here we're in the month of February, and we talked about Groundhog's Day was on Tuesday when Puxatawny Phil came out and predicted 6 more weeks of winter. Woo! So now we are on the third, the fourth, the fifth day, which is a Friday. Oh my goodness. Then we're going to the 6th is tomorrow, and the 7th is on Sunday, and then we'll be back in school on Monday. Woohoo! All right, so let's sing our Days of the Week song, which I know I did not link to my thing. And let's sing. Maybe, if my computer wants to agree. There it goes. Days of the week. Days of the week. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Are we clapping? Woohoo! Let's sing. There's Tuesday and there's Thursday. And there's Saturday. Ooh, that was loud. All right, and today is Friday, February 5th, 2021. I found some cute little pictures to start our pattern with. So I have a little groundhog and a heart. So I'm going to start off with the heart right here. And then we already have a groundhog here. Oh, somebody came in. But I got it. Loop it. And this one too. So I'm going to put the heart. And then we have a groundhog. And then we have another heart. And then we have a groundhog. So it goes heart, groundhog, heart, groundhog. It goes right here. What's today? Heart, groundhog, heart, groundhog. Ooh, it's a sleepy Friday. Heart. Let's try for tomorrow. Yeah. Ready? Heart, groundhog, heart, groundhog, heart. Groundhog. Ready? Let's do it again. Heart, groundhog, heart, groundhog, heart, groundhog. Heart. That's right. Great job. All right.
You was confusing.
We predicted rainy weather for today, and you were right. This morning when it actually started to rain, it was kind of like hail. I was surprised.
Well, it was this windy and rainy.
Is it windy outside?
Yeah.
Yes? All right, I'll put wind up there too. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow for our Saturday?
Rain.
Windy and I couldn't hear the other one.
And cloudy.
Windy and cloudy. All right. That's our prediction for tomorrow. I like that.
I'm not sure if anyone can see, but Sunday is possible a little bit of snow again.
Oh, I love it when you talk like that, Mrs. Hill. Are you? Oh,
All that.
And,
Always.
and it says it's 70%. Oh,
Diego jumped right on and looked.
I did too. Well, it's been rain. It's been saying rain.
It has.
Ready.
Uh,
Well,
what's the matter, Julian?
Great. It's okay, Mom.
Okay, here we go. Ready to say our alphabet? Let's sing it together. Is everybody ready? I heard ready. All right, here we go. A, B, C, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right. We're ready to count to 15? Are you ready? All right. Go ahead, start us off, Dalton. 2, 3, 10, 11, 12. Good job. 13. 14. Good job, my friends. This one, 15. Woohoo! Wow, we rocked that out. All right, let's count backwards from 5. We're going to use our big voice and get even louder. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. All right, let's find some colors. What color is sadness? Blue. What color is Cecilia, Mikey's girlfriend? Purple. Look at my triangle. What color is my triangle? White. It is a small triangle. All right, let's take a look at these shapes. You have a triangle?
He was making one with his hand.
Excellent. Yeah, I have to smush you all down so I can see who's speaking. It says the name, but I can't see your cute little faces right now. But let's take a look. Can you tell me what shape this one is? What's this? Not an oval.
Not a square.
Circle. Now, if I have my circle and I step on it and I squish it, it makes what's this shape? An oval. That's right. An oval. And how about this yellow one over here? What is this shape? A star. Excellent. All right. Our nursery rhyme this week and our last time to listen to it is 3 little kittens. Say it with me. 3 little kittens. They lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. That's right. No. It'd make me sad if you didn't. We're working on the letter E this week. E says like in eggs. Eggs start with the letter E. What's this pretty girl's name down here? Elsa, that's right. How about this guy right here? He's packing a trunk. What is that? An elephant. Good. Elephant. And here is Elastigirl. She's from The Incredibles. She's the mom. So let's sing about where we start those letters. Ready? You can see how slow I am. Ooh. Sorry. Stop sharing. It's coming. Oh, look at it reaching up. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Reach up. Nice and tall. Start your letters at the top. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Shake it in the middle. Up. Do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Way up. Reach out and touch the top. Here we go. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now we're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? Start your letters at the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better. Start it at the top, going down. No, it's the middle. It's the top. All right. So we are practicing making the letter E today. Oh, put the wrong button. E. All right, what letter are we making? The letter E. Good job. We're going to start with our big line down. Are we covering up Mr. Matt's smiling face? No, we put it right underneath Mr. Matt's smiling face. Now we're going to grab a little line and we're going to start at the top. Good job, guys. We put it at the top. We're going to grab another little line and we're going to put it in the middle. What letter is that? I thought I heard Dalton.
I heard Dalton say it too. Dalton, what was this? What letter is this?
F.
F. Good job, buddy.
And what was it, Julian? F. Yes, the letter F. Is that our letter this week? No. Our letter this week is the letter E. So I need to grab that other little line and put it at the bottom. And we've made the letter E. So now you're going to say it with me. Are you ready? Starting at the top. Will you say it with me? We're going to say, big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the middle, little line across the bottom. What letter is that? E.
It's my turn.
What letter is that? E. E. All right, let's build it one more time, starting at the top. And we say, big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the middle, little line across the bottom. And we made the letter E. And E says, eh. All right. Great job, friends. We'll get it because we're going to have this letter next week, too.